I'm laughing at the pants. That do not count, bro. This man got on. Hey. Also meant to say in my last video, it is nowhere near Monday. I actually don't know what day I'm dropping these videos. I got so many videos backed up and ready to drop, bro. It's ridiculous. But I'm feeling like this though. I'm feeling too cool for the drop. I feel too cool for this whole week. Whatever day I'm posting this week, feel too cool for the whole week. We're finna get into this. I keep calling him MK Slack because that was his name on Instagram. This Slimeball MK video. Oh, it be when your grandpa crazy, dog. Another try not to laugh. We gon' try not to laugh. We gon' try not to. We hopping straight in it. We hopping straight in it. On game. Yes, I'm talking about you. Y'all motherfuckers attention span, goddamn. Yeah. So minute.
Hey, Uncle Grandpa, how you?
Uncle Grandpa, what the f?
Doing?
Dude, you don't know what they go with Grandpa doing.
No clue.
Like, fuck, you understand your grandma. I'll tell you how to meet your grandma.
It's just finna be me, us, with a straight face this entire video. But if y'all laugh, y'all gotta give yourself a punishment, whether it's 50 push-ups, whether it's 2,000 sit-ups, running around the house a booty ball naked,
what have you. School?
Bro, like the fucking script, she was a
what?
Y'all script in that bitch.
They send you to the war?
Look at this man slide.
Oh, hell no, I ain't gonna want bitch. I ain't no man on John. I know this shit. I dropped out 6th grade. Oh, man, everybody know that.
So, Grandpa, your 80th birthday's coming up.
He acting like Joe from Medea.
You excited?
Oh, man,
Grandpa! Come on, man. I'm trying to watch the game over here.
Take it out with you.
I'm gonna create content as I. What?
Oh, Grandpa, you still got some moves.
Yeah, he do be hitting that jump though when he slide through the video. It's like
Grandpa. Uncle Grandpa.
No, wow.
Hey.
What the fuck?
Did you and Grandma ever get married?
Look, me and your grandma big fuck buddies.
Grandpa, where did you and Grandma get married at?
Oh, you damn crazy.
That's how it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be in 2070.
Grandpa, didn't you go to prison for like, a couple years? Oh, okay.
Where the hell did he just get
Grandpa,
a blade
put the
from?
knife down.
You ever stumble on me?
Yeah.
These just little warm-up videos because we got a Nelk video coming. And you know them Nelk videos, boy. Them is Nelk movies. We ain't gonna leave Slimeball out in the cold like that. We did not laugh at that at all. How it be when you fight a hood girl. Maybe this one might have a little bit more luck.
Like you do all that hair grabbing. Oh, I'm not with this shit. You should let my shit go.
That little mouth tug. That little lip tug.
Wait, bitch. You barely fighting back. Are you scared or something? You scared or something? What is right here?
I'm laughing at the pants. That do not count, bro. This man got on freaking.
Ass, bitch.
Yo, bitch, I'm just on live. Cause these hoes going live about me now.
That does not count.
Y'all hoes really going live like I ain't beat y'all ass. That's crazy.
I'm laughing.
Monique whooped you carry.
Motherfucking snowflake pajamas.
I ain't even stay on live about y'all hoes. I really forgetful about this hoes cause I really beat some shit.
This ain't Slimeball MK. This Hood Princess when he turned up like this though. That's his name from now on, Hood Princess, when he turn up like that. But hey, I love y'all folks, Ralph Louis, man, for real. I love y'all folks, Ralph Louis. I love y'all folks. Stay tuned for more lit videos. We not going nowhere. Stay tuned. Thanks for hitting that sub button. We really finna hit 2,000 subscribers, and that's just so small compared to where we need to go. But do you know how grateful I am for that? Yeah, you thought I was finna just end it off? No, I'm grateful. Thank y'all. We not going nowhere. I'm gonna keep on posting. The ones that's gonna unsubscribe is gonna do that. I don't care. I actually like to see that now because we weeding y'all out. We weeding y'all little boys out the way and opening up the real motherfuckers that's gonna stay and know that every video I post, even if we just threw them motherfuckers looking like this, is a banger. Stay tuned for more. I love y'all folks. Chuck in the building. Yeah, we back on our tribal junk too, man. We done forcibly had to be. I love y'all folks. Stay tuned for more on game.